Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean TV. I'm George Petrov if you're new to my channel, and I have over 12 years of experience in digital marketing and e-commerce. I spent over $52 million in Meta, Google, TikTok, Pinterest, you name it. And today I'm going to be covering how you can crush it in Meta ads with just $50. So stick at the end of this video and let's get it started. Alright, once you are in the Ads Manager, you just need to click Create and then choose Objective of the campaign. The objective of the campaign, it's basically your business objective. It is what it is. It's just your business objective turned into a marketing objective. So basically, if you are selling services, you most likely won't go for the sale first. Straight, right? You'll go for lead generation. Or if you are in an e-commerce website, right, you won't go for leads initially, but you will go for sales, especially on a high budget. So let's pretend that this is a service-based business that go for to set leads. You need to choose the manual lead campaign, not the tailored lead campaign, because you are giving all control of your campaign to Meta. This is not the best option, and I'm gonna showing you further in this video. So click here, continue. All right. So first, give it a name. I hate when I get into an account and not see the correct campaign name, naming conventions. So what I do is first I give it my own initials or the company initials. Let's say in this case I would give it my personal initials, GP. And then we start by the funnel name. So basically the funnel name in this case will be lead gen funnel, whatever that might be, right? It could be a real name of the funnel. And today I'm going to be covering instant forms because I don't have a complete build, let's say, landing page to show you, but we're gonna do the so-called instant page lead generation, and which is the most cost-effective in this case. So let's do it. And the next thing is going to be what is the actual objective. In this case it's lead gen, right? Then what is the budget optimization? In this case I will go for advantage campaign budget optimization, $50, right? This is our budget. It's not gonna be a daily budget, it's gonna be a lifetime budget, right? Yeah. So highest volume, always try for highest volume. Yeah. So categories, lead gen, in this case we have CBO, so campaign budget optimization. That's what it stands for. And at the end, I'm just checking the date. Today it's January 14th and 2025. Okay. Advantage campaign budget optimization. I mentioned this. You don't mention any categories unless you are not in one of those categories: housing, social issues, employment, financial. Okay, then we go next. Give a good name for your ad set, which is mostly your interest, basically, or whatever. If you go broad, if you go it describes everything about this ad set. So basically I will give it a name after I create everything. So we'll go for instant forms. Basically Meta is giving it by default. One other thing that I will do is basically instant forms and messenger, right? Or messenger only, because our budget is very tight. I usually go for instant forms or instant form messages on a very tight budget. Yeah, and then choose the Facebook page. Here the performance goal, it's maximize number of leads. That's very important. And then you give it start date and an end date. So here is very important how you're going to allocate the budget. I will allocate this budget for at least 4 days, right? So today is 14 and I'm gonna give it to 15, 16, 17, 18, right? Okay, don't forget about your location, by the way. What I would do is I go to switch to original audience options. right? And make sure your location is the correct one, right? If you're generating leads for service-based business that it's local, make sure you get this right correct, because here is crucial. Let's say if the business is in San Diego. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we have San Diego, and so that we can laser target it. I know I'm talking always about going creative and creative targeting and going very, very, very broad, but in this case, we are on a very, very tight budget. We will be shooting for, basically we're trying to get proof of concept, right? So to get the best ROI on our money. And for this reason, I'm going to be going very, very, specific targeting. So get very narrow. If our target markets, let's say 25, 55, gender female, right? Detail targeting on advantage. And let's say we are a spa salon, right? I'll go with only one interest, so I'm still not going in depth, right? And always get this reach people beyond. It used to be when it was launched, I think 2 years ago, or 2 or 3, reach people beyond detail or targeting selection when it's likely to improve performance. It was giving us very poor results, but right now it's getting it will give you very good results. We trust on this. So basically, I'm going down. Advantage placements, you will leave this, right? And then we go next. I'm sorry, let's go back and just give this naming convention. Spas, personal care, that's the interest. Then we go for women, right? But yeah, let's go first for instant forms. So when you see the ad set name, you know what's happening in this ad set. Now you don't have to get into the ad set in order to figure this out. Okay, San Diego, California. San Diego, California. And then you have 20, 55, 25, 55 women. And then we have spas, and then we have automatic placements, advantage placements, right? So we have described everything in our name, advantage plus placements. Okay, next. Now, here in the ad, I'm just, let's say I'm gonna put instant form at 1, for instance, and what it describes, right? I'm gonna just choose some creative. I'm gonna figure out some creative here, but you need to get your creative right. It's very important, and it's also primary text. Let's say for a spa, I'll go to ChatGPT, the list, right, and write you so that it can write you very good copy. In this case, I will be just like get our new customer promo for 30% off today and feel like a queen, right? And then queen, like a queen, right? And a queen emoji. Then headline, figure out, is just 30% off for new customers, right? It could be this one. 30% off for new customers. Write a few headlines actually. 30% off for new customers. Queen for a day. Okay, cool. And then sign up. It's a good call to action. And then we need to create a form, which is going to take more of the time. Okay, now we're going to give this form. It's a good to know when you created it. So leave this and just give it a name, spa queen, and the date. Then more volume, high intent, rich creative. What should you choose here? Especially on a tight budget, but I will suggest in general, it's just use high intent because those are the highest quality leads. All right, and go to the next. Now, greeting optional. That's really optional, guys. Headline and paragraph, I won't get there, but should, because the most important is in the next. Okay, field. So basically, what you need from those people, I will need email, full name, and actually, I will ask phone number. Yeah, so I will ask them for email, full name, and phone number. Very important things, especially for service-based businesses. No, those are not optional. Okay, cool. So next, click next. Link. Yeah, so this is a very good opportunity to have a link to your privacy policy. That's good in the eyes of Meta, Facebook, and it's really good in general. Custom notice, it's not important. Next, but privacy policy, it's 100%, it's needed, right? So I will paste one here. Okay, I will paste our privacy policy, and then go next. Okay, it's now next. It's cool because that's pretty much the message after they submit. So the headline should be thanks, you're all set. You can visit our website, exit this form now. Those are really optional, but what I suggest you to get the best out of the whole thing is just get a link of your business, all right? And ask them to visit your website. This way they'll get warmer, right? And once you call them, you'll be able to close them much faster. And now create form, right? Click create form. And once the form is created, okay, I won't click this because this is one of our clients. You're good to go, and you'll be able to click publish and publish the form and the ad. Don't forget to add media here, right? I didn't add a media. It was strictly get from the website, right, from the page. But you need to add an image, and then let's say if you're at one, you're the form of spa queen, right? And then you have the image name. Let's say refreshed woman, right? And then the last thing is the call to action. Those are good naming conventions, right? And then you just click published, and here you are. You're on the right track to success, guys. Thank you for watching this short video. I just want to ask you to go and subscribe to this video. Click the thumbs up if you learned something, and write your comments in the comments. Let me know what you want to learn more about Meta ads, Google ads, and all digital marketing. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the other side of success, guys.